Okay. Hello, guys. We are a team of four building Primordium World Extension. Actually, yeah. So one of the team member flew from Japan, spending 40 hours, and then he straight went to hackathon. So now he's like back there, like suffering from the fever. Oh, he's here. But the shout out. My name is Kohei, and
Yeah, I'm Ruslan. I'm from Mitrium team. I couldn't convince anyone to build on top of Mitrium, so I decided to do the second best thing to derail the competitors. So we decided to join the Yakuza clan. That sounds something that could derail the Primordium, I believe.
Yeah, I'm Ronan, and I believe we could have Yakuza in every game.
Can you connect? Okay, cool. So we are building Primordium extension, Yakuza Revenge. But let me give you the context. Do we have the? Oh, okay. Okay, cool. So Primordium, have you? Can I see like how many of you guys play Primordium before? It's quite many. Nice, nice. It's a fun game, but there's one pain point, which is you realize when you start a game, you don't have any fleets, so lots of fellows like start attacking you and try to steal resources. It's kind of frustration. So we started wondering, what if you could have Yakuza protecting your asteroid? So yeah, the idea is pretty simple. You pay monthly fee to Yakuza, and if you get attacked by any like fucking your opponent, like Yakuza will attack them back. That's pretty much it. Simple. Let's go to a demo. Can we? I'll give it back to.
Yeah, I'll try and catch up on the demo real quick. Yeah. Yeah?
Like the clicking.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. So, yeah, this is the demo. You initially have to connect the wallet. Then you can see the forces of Yakuza that could help you out just in case. Join the ranks and have them back you up. The list of players who are joined already, we have decided to highlight that there are those who have their license expired. So they are now a target to Yakuza. So it's kind of, you better not miss your payment, dude. Your license is about to expire. So yeah, join Yakuza rank is one way to go. There is a multi-stepper. So you have to set the payment, basically automatically picking up the resources, set a fleet. You pick whoever you're going to be sending as a mailman with the resources. Hopefully he'll return in one piece. Transfer to your orbit, then transfer to Yakuza, then wait for the transfer. I was told 30 minutes is the limit, so yeah. Proceed to step 4, let's say it have passed. Transfer resources, pay, and become like a ship, I would say, to Yakuza clan. Back to the list of players, there is also an opportunity that we wanted to highlight. So let's say there is someone who is attacking a member of Yakuza or have attacked already. So now you can execute a revenge, which is just simple 2-step. Initiate the move of the fleet of Yakuza. And then, yeah, you wait once again. Let's say 10 minutes have passed. Go ahead. Yeah, and execute revenge, basically. Simple as that. Very simple concept, but I believe it can be applied to a lot of different fully on-chain games. So yeah, would you mind? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, in terms of implementation, we managed to get it compiled, and I think it covers most of it. We're not sure everything worked, but it's actually pretty simple. I mean, we start with the Yakuza is basically a system, and you transfer resource to it, then he subscribe you for 30 days. And the way we do it is that we track that you own an asteroid, and then when you basically, someone conquer here, so there is player 2 here attacking, and then now you can claim, and you simply check, are you owning this asteroid, and if you are not, then you are allowed to claim the revenge. And yeah, and then you claim it. You, of course, in Primordium, you have to wait to go to orbit. You have a multi-step process, so that kind of was the tricky part to have it. So you have a pending claim, and then you have to make sure people cannot just claim an infinite number of times. And yeah, in the end, the Yakuza will basically attack back. And in Primordium, like, you cannot transfer the asteroid. But in the end, it's kind of a cool mechanic that we thought that fixed the issue is that when the Yakuza revenge fleet conquer back the asteroid, it's still owned by the Yakuza, but the player is allowed to manage it. It's kind of now Yakuza become more and more powerful because of that. Yeah, so I mean the contract is it's one simple contract. There is, so send resource is the way to do it. So it need to be delegated, and then you just need to send first to have it in orbit. Then we have the notify ownership, which is something we had to consider, which is like if the Yakuza fleet doesn't manage to capture back, you might have to capture it yourself, in which case you need to say, hey, now I am the owner again, and I should be able to claim. Yeah, maybe you can... and a few things like to here that we didn't do, but that should be done. That's Pan Yakuza will be creating the thing in the first place, and progress is to be able to manage it permissionlessly. Yeah.
Cool. Last part. So the reason why we're excited about this Yakuza Revenge is not just the concept. It's actually really interesting. It's one of the example of permissionless autonomous entity on on-chain world. Like anyone can join, anyone can poll. Okay, anyone can call, but still it works within the game logic contract. And you can use it for any other services like insurance, casino, bank service, like anything. Anyway, fuck around on Primordium. That's it. Thank you.